Without further ado, I'd like to bring out my close friend and mentor, the Fragrant Lawyer himself, Nainesh Kotak.
You know, he's such a supporter of our communities. He supports us through food banks and through women's shelters and through excellence in sports.
You know, everyone knows who he is. He does so much for the community.
When corporate guys do that, it's something that you should be proud of. Give him a pat on the back, and that's one of the reasons we come back every year.
Credit where credit's due to Kotak Law and to Nainesh and the team for always stepping up and being that good corporate citizen that really gives a damn about our community.
It's what Nainesh is doing and Kotak Law are doing when it comes to supporting those that are suffering from social and health challenges. And we're here to make sure that we support the event because it's making a tremendous impact.
Great to be at your gala. Nainesh has been a friend for a long time, and I just have to say how grateful we are. Anytime there's a charity gala in the community, a sporting event, you're the first to sponsor and step up. So many distinguished guests here, because we all believe collectively that you're a gift to have here in Peel Region. And Brampton loves you. I'm sure Mississauga loves you. Caledon loves you. Thank you for being a gift in our region.
How you've helped the larger community through all your advocacy and all of your fundraising for all of the people you've helped, but especially the women you've helped.
There's a desperate need for shelters for women and children to leave violent and abusive homes. There's a tremendous, really, underfunding of this, and particularly in the region of Peel and particularly in Brampton. We have record numbers of people going to food banks for food. There's an organization that's very dear to me that is involved not only in our region, but actually I believe around the country, Seva Food Bank. And I want to say, when my late father passed away in 2020, one of the things I did, we had 10 people at the funeral. So that's all we could have is anyone who couldn't make it, donate to Seva Food Bank. And that's in fact what we did. This is an organization that is designed to assist lawyers advocate to victims of circumstances beyond their control where they've been hurt. They provide services to the community such as helmets for kids who otherwise would not be able to ride a bicycle without those helmets. They provide top-notch seminars and programs and education for lawyers to be able to advance their craft in a more effective, efficient way.
Nainesh, what you do for the community, taking care of people's stomachs with food banks, people's souls when they're hurting, you reach into every part of people's lives and you celebrate excellence through sport. So thank you for everything that you've done. I'm really pleased to be here to share the moment with you.
Listen, I met Nainesh. I met you for the first time at the military appreciation hockey game. You get a read for people when you spend long enough doing this kind of work, and you can read genuine intentions and people that really care. And Nainesh gives a damn. And for that reason, because he gives a damn about our community and about something bigger than himself, that's why we give a damn about him. So
We've had an absolutely amazing time. I've been able to bring people together in the community spirit. We've donated to Every Mind Mental Health Services, precious shelter in Brampton for women and children who are fleeing violence. Seva Food Bank for those who are without food. Every Mind Mental Health, that's where I'm the president of actually that organization, the board, and they provide mental health support to children, youth, and their families. And of course, the Ontario Trial Lawyers Association, where I'm the secretary treasurer, and this is just, they support actually victims of injuries and they litigate on their behalf. What an amazing time and amazing guests. We've had some wonderful guests here. I've had my whole family out actually. My older boy announced his engagement, his in-laws were there, my little children were there, my wonderful wife. We've had the Attorney General of Ontario here. We've had 3 cabinet ministers here from the provincial government. The Mayor of Brampton, Patrick Brown, the Mayor of Mississauga, Carolyn Parrish was here. And you know, folks, we also had Creed Fragrances out with Holt Renfrew. Those guys, absolutely amazing. They've got the top-notch niche fragrances, and they had a great booth here. The music, folks. We had a reggae rapper. We had an R&B singer. We had an amazing violinist and a beatbox guy. We had Brazilian dancers. We had a robot on the dance floor. It's been absolutely fantastic. We've had over 200 people, probably 220 people here. Just outstanding. The people here, many of them are from my childhood, from my early high school days, up to recent friends, lawyers, judges, politicians, business people, everyday people. Folks, it's been such an amazing time, and this is our 2025 gala. I'm looking forward to do it again next year and keeping in touch with everybody. Nainesh Kotak from Kotak Law and your Fragrant Lawyer, out.